Memento to the presence of Mrs. Sakati Bhattacharya, the principal of South City International School.
Excuse me.
Memento now being presented to Mrs. Savita Shah, the director of Aditya Academy Group of Schools. Big round of applause. And memento and an excellent presented to Mr. Imran Zaki also. Big round of applause for Mr. Imran Zaki also, a true friend of Ashish United Karate. He is there all the time. Mr. Zaki has the ability to be able to interact with all the people present in the school fraternity, and we thank him for his association with us. I would now request Mrs. Sakati Bhattacharya to kindly say a few words of encouragement. For that, the mic to you.
Imran Zaki, Joey, and all parents, students, and the entire team of Mr. Premjit Sen. I think you're doing a fantastic job today. I always believe sports build character and beat any form of sport. I think sports is the best way to teach anybody the basic life lessons. And the most important is that anytime we fail, we can rise up. And I think only sports can teach that. Only sports can help you build a strong character. Sports can help you have a very strong mind. Sports can make you great fighters, and sports can make you great believers. So I am a big champion for sports. I support sports, and I congratulate Mr. Premjit Sen and his team for making such a humongous effort in promoting sport. I wish each one of you all the best, and I know there would be a winner, but the fact that you are coming today and participating makes you a winner by your own choice. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Imran Zaki to say a few words.
Thank you very much. A very good morning to all of you, especially to the children who are participating. A big salute to Mr. Premjit. Thank you very much, sir, for bringing these kinds of activities to our city. And actually, you know, it is an international platform where people from all over they come and they showcase their talents. Thank you so much, Pankaj Bhai, my senior from school and college. I look up to you, and I need to acknowledge my special friends who are here, Sakati ma'am and Savita Saha ma'am, and of course my friend Joey and Anandita. Thank you all very much for being here. Mr. Premjit, please keep doing what you're doing. It's a beautiful initiative to keep this kind of sports alive here, and we'll be looking forward for more of the activities, and we would love to contribute and participate in whichever way we can. All the very best once again to the West Bengal Inter-School Karate Championship at the ages of Mr. Premjit and his team. Thank you so much. Can we have a very big round of applause for him? Thank you.
Can we have a very big round of applause for inspiration provided by Mr. Zaki? Thank you, Mr. Zaki. Everyone. DIY has got a gold medal in team kata and an individual silver.
Event number 3.
And
Parents say bolche apnara gate chole asun. Event number 3.
the Pasapal now coming up, who has won 2 golds and 1 silver. A big round of these people. They are the ones who we should be looking up to. They are only from you. One day today you are here, tomorrow you will be here.
Hey, Ayush.
And now we have Sridhar coming forward. Was a gold medal in team kata. between us. Good team Tata. Come forward, I would request all the participants to stand below. Allow your Devang's boss, great winner of bronze medal. In the committee section.
Height dara.
No, you can please go to the stage.
Your face is guarded. Thank you so much.
अच्छा ऊपर चले जाओ
What happened?
आप उधर आइए नहीं हो रहा
Big round of applause, please.
Actually, I'm from Aditya Academy Group of Schools. I'm the director over there. And with ASOS is a unit of our Aditya Group which promotes sports like football, cricket, where, as you rightly mentioned, Julan Goswami, even the great Maradona had been in our campus.
I was there.
Yeah, you were there at that time, and it was a splendid moment. And we are lucky ones to have our chairman, Mr. Anirban Aditya and Ankit Aditya, the vice chairman, who promotes sports among the youngsters and our students. And I think it's very much necessary in this age because, you know, children have to have, at least we suggest should have 2 sports, you know, with them so that they are into a bit of, you know, well physical structures, well mental healthness, and they will be definitely accordingly set in line for discipline and everything.
I think so far as I know, Anirban, he adopted some football club.
Absolutely,
Yeah, which is the
absolutely.
club, I
ASOS
think.
Rainbow, yeah.
Yeah. So you are very much in football also. This is
Yeah.
the culture of West Bengal.
Absolutely. And we, in all the branches, we promote sports every time, and we see to it that every child participates into it because, as I said, nothing best than sports for children.
That is true, but we should give equal opportunity to women also, to girls
Definitely,
also. What
definitely.
about your school?
In our school, we promote our girls. They have volleyball. They are into football. They are into cricket also. Actually, in sports,
any boy?
children there are plenty. Boys there are plenty. Girls we are yet to have, but they are into the limelight slowly. They are doing so.
So what are your plans? You have a big ground. I have been there. And
In our
Maradona was
Barshat,
there.
yes,
So,
Barshat campus.
Apart from football and cricket, what are the other indoor games you promote?
Yes, we promote
Like
table
chess,
tennis,
which
chess.
is very popular in Bengal.
Yes, chess. Our children are getting a lot of laurels in chess also. I must mention that also here. And definitely table tennis, badminton, basketball, archery. We recently have Mr. Joydeep Kaumakar was also attached with us. His children, many children are under him also being trained. So these are the different things that we have.
Hope any girl or boy from your school represents India at the Asian level.
I just wish us the best. I am not hoping for one, we are hoping for more and more.
Premjit here, Premjit Sen, as all you know, the man behind all the karate activities in West Bengal, even in the school. Tell us about the atmosphere in West Bengal. Bengal is kirokom atmosphere.
It's a huge atmosphere because you tell me the location, I can tell our association. There is no such place that you will not find any karate classes over there. Everywhere there is karate class going on. Suppose आप अगर बोलेंगे तो सुंदरबन से लेके पहाड़ में चला जाइए या एनीवेयर वी हैव जंगल मॉल से लेके हर जगह पे हम लोग का क्लासेस चल रहा है एंड डे बाय डे द कराटे इज गेटिंग मोर पॉपुलैरिटी एंड वी आर एट प्रेजेंट वी हैव द स्टैटिस्टिक्स दैट वी हैव 8 lakhs कराटेकार प्रैक्टिसिंग इन वेस्ट बंगाल एंड अगर 8 लाख में अगर 4 जन भी उनका फैमिली मेंबर है तो 32 lakhs पीपल्स आर अवेयर ऑफ द कराटे. I am the recognized body of Bengal Olympic Association, Karate Association of Bengal, and we are doing our level best to promote. We do sponsor for all the national state selected player for national. They are getting all sponsorship without getting any grants from any agencies. We are doing sponsorship to all the players for the national. Not for national, in international level also we are sponsoring from our side.
And who are the boys or girls who have given fame to Bengal or India from your side?
Yeah, lots of people are there who are doing an excellent job. Recently, we have Commonwealth medalist. Today, we are going to felicitate all the players who are the part of this national team participating in the Commonwealth Karate Championship, which was held at Durban, South Africa. आज कई सारे बच्चे लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं and we are going to felicitate them.
So any plan to host any international tournament in Bengal?
Yeah, so I do every year I do organize international karate championship, and there are more than 6,500 participants participating in 3 days championship at Netaji Indoor Stadium. This year also we are going to host the 9th international karate championship, and in this karate championship we have like team like Malaysia, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Iran, Turkey, many, and day by day, you know, this tournament has got a hype. And in this championship we have like services team like CRPF, Assam Rifles, Indo-Tibetan Police Force, and that tournament also we are not getting any fund, but we do lots of sponsorship in that tournament, and we are giving scholarship to the players, we are giving the cash award to the players.
What about promoting karate at a school level? You are here at
We are at present all the most
how
of
many schools you are
at present we have associated, we are associated with all the most of the English medium school in West Bengal, and apart from that we are also working in the project of government of West Bengal, jo bhi Sukarna project, Tejaswini project, lots of all these self defense project we do with Kolkata Police and government of West Bengal.